Hey guys, so today we are going to change Mira's bedding and give her some more food. So I have my gloves, I have Mira's food, her little snacks in here, and I have her bedding. So I'm going to put on my gloves, and here's Mira. She is currently trying to bite her way out of the cage. And I tell her every day that it's not going to work. So I am going to open up the top, even though Mira is here trying to bite her way out. I'm going to try to move around her so I can take everything out. Mama, can you hand me a bag? I need a bag to put the bedding that's in her cage in the trash. Trash bag. Trash bag. This Mira is so fast, I have to wait until she calms down a little bit before I put my hands in her. I have a little bag. Okay.
It's in a trash bag.
Like this. Please. So, there's my bag. And I'm trying to figure out what is good. How I'm going to move around Mira because she is very little and quick. So I'm going to pop the top off and actually hold the top over her cage still because she is so quick. I'll put her back. Mira, get down, Mira. Mira. She's fast. I have to be a little bit faster than her. Ooh.
Hi, everybody.
Keyshawn. Keyshawn, turn that down. Alright, well, it looks like I might have to wait until, because Mira is still currently trying to get out. So I had to be quick.
Ew, what is that under there?
Or her food that she didn't eat.
No, that thing, that white thing.
But she uses that to sharpen her teeth. I take everything out. It's harder for her to climb because she's so little. Hopefully she stays down there.
I'm gonna take it off and film it. Looks up. What's that stuff right there?
What does it look like? Food and poop.
Nah, that's just nasty.
That's why every week you gotta change the bedding.
I can put food down there instead
It
of.
probably just dropped. She's trying to save it.
Can I put the food in? Man, get down! Stop! I'm trying to climb.
So she's still trying to climb, and I'm trying to make sure
She doesn't.
that she doesn't because I don't want her to climb out of the cage.
But I also have one glove. It's literally one glove.
Ooh, she got up there. Here,
How'd she get up there? I'm too scared. A little nosy. That's the only.
I emptied out her little house. And I'll put some more bedding in there because she likes to spend so much
all
time
the food out? Just in there?
in her cage, in her little bedding.
Then how do we get the bedding out?
So, As you can see, where'd she go?
She's right there.
I'm stuffing the inside of her house, so when she goes in there, it'll be nice and soft for her.
How do I put more food in here?
You gotta take out the little bedding. Take out the bedding and put the food in. Yep, so we stuffed the house.
And I'm putting in the food.
Yep, and I just putting the food in.
This stuff stinks.
Me and I painted her faces earlier, so she still has on her face. Those are snacks, so she only needs like 2 of those.
Oh, I accidentally put 3.
It's okay. I use this cup and put the cup in there, scoop some out. Pour it in a little bowl. And Mira's still climbing, as you can see. I'm gonna go around her. Get all of this out.
Mom, she's coming.
Mira, get down. Don't try to offer her no food while I'm trying to hold her in here. Mira, get down. Mira, you gotta get down.
I forgot the thing was up. Can I put her food in?
So she's
wait.
quick. Let me put her bedding in first. So I'll just sprinkle some bedding in there for her so it's nice and fresh.
Does her thing need to be filled up? Her water tank?
I'm gonna add some water. She doesn't drink that much water, so you don't have to change that often. But you can check it. Maybe one more little sprinkle. As Mira tries to climb out again. Mira, get back, girl. Mira. Thank you.
I don't know why
I know you want to get out there a little bit, but you gotta stay in here.
I'm too afraid. I'm sorry. And then you gonna find your way in my tent. I ain't gonna know.
I'm gonna just put that in the other bag. You snap this down. So now we snap this back down. Make sure it's secure.
Wait.
Is quick.
There, huh? Sorry. This stuff stinks. Really. She fell. Like totally fell.
So it pops back in. Like that. Makes the sounds that let you know it's locked all the way in. So now, once Mira gets down, I can
Place the food.
place the food in there real quickly. She's so fast. All the bedding, remnants, put that in the trash. Mira, say hi to your friends, Mira. I know they miss you.
There we go. I don't want to put it in.
All right, now I'm gonna try again while she's over here. Oh, she got down again. So as soon as she moves, I'm gonna place this in. She's smart too, smart hamster. She knows what I'm trying to do.
Can you see her? Where'd she go? What? Jeez.
Put her house back in there.
There she.
Oh, take this back off.
There she goes.
Stick the house back in. Oh, she's eating. Good. This is a good time to do it. Pop it off. Put the house in. There you
There's your
go.
home.
And then I'm gonna lock it back.
Right.
Check her water. You can see her water.
There's the water cage.
Yep, her water's still full, so she's good to go. I'm gonna take off my gloves, throw the trash away, wash my hands.
You can't really see her.
All right, Mira, say bye to your friends. She's eating. There she is.
How did she break open the sunflower seeds?
He's smart. All right, we'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.
Ta-da!
Bye.